In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete employees from your location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Locations. Select the location that you want to add employees to. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. Choose Employees from the drop-down menu. You should now arrive at a list of employees who can work this location. To add an employee, click Add at the top of the chart and select the employee you would like to add. Let's say Linda. If you want to add more than one employee at a time, click the first employee, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and scroll all the way down to the last employee you would like to add. Now you can see I've highlighted these 3 employees instead of just the 1. If you don't want to add these employees, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now you can see those 3 employees have been added. If I added an employee by mistake or they no longer work at this location, I can click the box next to that employee, then go down to the bottom of the chart and click on Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that employee. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that employee has been removed. That's how you can add and remove employees from a specific location. Check out the next video to learn how to add and remove users from a specific location.